Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So today I got me a DJI Osmo Mobile 6 on the left hand side here, while on my right hand there is Insta360 Flow. Brand new, just came out to the market about a month now. I've been playing around with it quite a bit. This video right here is mainly for tracking. So this piece right here, this is where the most important in my opinion, because I'm usually shooting by myself like this right now. And yeah, I need tracking for myself so that I can just kind of walk around, talk, and things like that without any kind of cameraman behind it. You know what I'm saying? And so right now, what you're looking at is literally both of these camera tracking me right now. And I think they're doing a pretty fine job. Now, here's the thing. Insta360 Flow got one advantage over the DJI Osmo, because you know what? I'm not even gonna tell you. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to do a little test and I'm gonna show you the advantages right now. You ready? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn around and then back around right here. Okay, so both remember my face, right? Now I'm gonna go back further. I'm gonna go behind the tree. Now, wait, take a look at my face again. Is it still tracking my face? I can't see the screen. Which one is still tracking me? Looks like DJI Osmo is still tracking me. Wow, okay, there we go. Insta360 remembered me, and now, oh, hey, there you are, found me again. But looks like the further I walk out, Insta360 has a little issue with how small I am on their screen. So now, I don't know, I think it has kind of forgotten me already. I'm not even gonna walk behind the tree. I'm just gonna go over here. Let's see if it even remembers. Yeah, see? DJI Osmo, the further you are, the better. It can go down to tiny little dot on the screen. And Insta360 picks back up again there. So, gotta give them credit for that. It does have a very long memory on it. Okay, so the winner right now, DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is the winner because it can spot like a little speck on the screen. Obviously, because of their drone technology, I guess they're used to doing this kind of tracking with the little speck on the screen, right? So let's see here. I want to walk this way, not even showing my face, and then let's come back. Let's see who remembers me. Kind of like training a dog right now. Does it remember me? Okay, both remember me, but I'm not sure. I can't really see the screen to say which like picks my face back up. Obviously, in post-production, I'll see that, but you guys, let me know. How is this thing? So I'm gonna walk all the way back here. Who is still tracking me? That's the real question right there. Who is still tracking me? Let me see if I can walk all the way over here. Oh, okay, both are turning, so. Interesting, okay. Okay, so guys, let's do round two right here. So I think the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 right here is the clear winner when it comes to distant. Now in round two, let's do a little memory test. Okay, let's see who has the best memory on this one. What I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this along with me. All right, let's go. We're going to go for a little walk over here. Okay, so we got ourselves a tree right here. I'm going to see who can remember me. I'm going to go behind the tree really fast. Oh, there we go. Osmo Mobile like almost tilt down almost. Huh. Both remembers me pretty well. What if I stop right in the middle right here? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Insta360 Flow is the winner. So look, DJI Osmo doesn't even remember me anymore. It's literally like wipe my face off of the cache. So it doesn't even know who I am anymore. Look at this. I figured it would just look for a face and pick it up, but it doesn't. Pretty interesting, right? That is interesting. I mean, 5 seconds behind a tree, and Insta360 still remember me. That's pretty astonishing. Okay guys, so the clear winner here is obviously Insta360, right? They definitely remember you a lot longer than Mr. DJI Osmo Mobile 6 over here. Okay, so for this next test, I'm gonna go all the way down there and I'm gonna come back. And I think I already know who the winner is, but I want you guys to see how far I can go before it forgets my face. Now, I'm not gonna turn my face, so it's always gonna be tracking me, okay? So let's go. Still remember me? Yep, okay. All right, here we go. Let's walk much as possible here. Still recording. I wonder, I'm gonna go this way. Let's go around here, see if it's will turn the gimbal. I can't wait to see this footage. Oh, you know what? I forgot. My mic may not even work. You may not even hear me. By the way, guys, this is the DJI mic. It's been pretty incredible for me. It just works. I just love it. Okay, so anyway, I'm all the way down there. Now I'm walking back. Let's see which one will pick it back up. I'm pretty sure Insta360 Flow is gonna pick it back up because it has that good memory, right? But what I'm interested in is, what about DJI? Will it pick the face back up? No, it doesn't. It forgot me the whole way. And Insta360 Flow still remember me. Won't let go. There we go. Now it knows me. So, you know, the reason why I wanted to do this video today, on this day today, is because I'm trying to decide if I should return my Insta360 Flow or not. And I feel like I would feel like I would be missing out a lot if I were to return the Insta360 Flow. So I think I've decided that I'm going to keep it. So yeah, because the memory, it definitely remembers you. That's amazing how long it can remember you. So what happens if I go behind this? Nope, because it doesn't see my face. There we go. So if something is huge obstructing the screen, it's not going to remember you. We'll go all the way around here. Oh, Insta360 got it. And I am behind the camera, so it can't really see me for DJI Osmo. Hello, DJI Osmo. I'm still here. I'm still here, buddy. It's looking for me like... All right, guys, so there we go. That's the video right there. That's the verdict. If you are looking for great face tracking, Insta360 Flow, I think, have definitely perfected it, or at least made it to where they're one level above DJI Osmo Mobile 6, which I never thought would happen. But obviously, if you've ever used Insta360 and their X cameras, the 360 cameras, you know the software is partly the reason why you want to buy their product. And with this Insta360 Flow, I feel like that's the same way. The reason why I'm keeping this Insta360 Flow is because of the software, not because of the hardware. So anyway, hope you guys find this video useful, and I will see you in the next one.